Hey, what's up? So you're welcome to today's video. So I want to make my Afang soup today, and this I have here is pineapple. I have water leaf. I have the fish. I have the meat. I have everything ready for this cooking today. So let's start cooking. So here, okay. Alright, you guys. So let's start. And then put on pot. And then the first thing I'll do is to parboil my beefy, which is very popular. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding a little water. And then I would cover it for it to cook. Okay. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Wait there. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a little salt. So that the periwinkle can be tasteful when it's boiled. Okay? Say hi, guys. Okay. So I have a little stockfish. The sink is blocked, you guys. Our sink is blocked, so I just have to call a plumber that fixes the sink before pouring water. Okay guys, so now I'm cooking with this bigger pot. So they've actually already helped me to parboil my meat. So I'm gonna be turning it here so I can be adding up my other protein. So here is the meat. This is cow meat and goat meat. Alright, so we'll be adding our other protein. Okay guys, so this is what happened with boiling periwinkle. So I have to open it, alright, otherwise it's going to be pouring like that. Okay, so let's add on pepper. So what is it? Seasoning cube.
Not too bomb. This is not your mouth. Like that. Rock.
The small thing is hard. No, don't want okay, give me that spatula. Give me that iron spatula. Yes, raise it. Okay. This is water from my fresh pepper. Okay, so now this periwinkle is ready, obviously. So let's go remove the water. No, sasado. Alright. So let's allow it to cook. My protein has boiled. Now it's time to. I need more space in this kitchen. But anyhow, now come closer. Let's put crayfish so that it can cook properly. And then the next one we're going to be adding is oil. Put enough oil. So let's allow it to cook a little and then be back. Okay. What were you doing? Okay, so the pot has been and come closer, come inside my pot, enter my pot, invade my pot. Okay? Come and invade my pot. Alright, so now it's time to put water leaf, right? Just the pot.
Just the pot.
I need something to hold the handle of this pot. Yes. Okay, you guys. So I'm not going to allow it boil because I want it to boil together. I'm going to be putting my afang inside. Okay. My afang is almost ready. So let's allow it to cook. And look at me. We're gonna be right back. My afang is almost ready. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna be right back, you guys. Okay guys, so my soup is all full. And yeah, I had another afang in my fridge, so I just have to add it up. And this needs more oil. You need a little salt. And then just a little seasoning. Yeah, that will make my soup perfect when it is done. You guys, my soup is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.